Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Jeff from Mantiques Network, how you doing today? You know, from time to time, we have one of our members within the Mantiques Network do an in-house project, and this is one of them. This comes from a guy that does a lot of Coke products and out there and does really a nice job. This is a 20-inch heavy gauge metal flange sign from TEXACO that we've made up here. Absolutely beautiful. We've got a price only at $250, great price point. If you've got any kind of gas and oil display or anything, this would look perfect outside your bathroom.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.